everyone, how are you today? I hope you're okay and fine. So this lecture doesn't cost an arm and a leg. It means it's for free. You don't need to pay it for you to learn idiomatic expressions. But for heaven's sake, foot the bill, hit the books, and have a blast. It's all for range. This is Teacher Lynn and welcome back to our daily lecture about the idiomatic expressions. So, as a sort of review, the last time we had our lecture about the idiomatic expressions, we learned some idiomatic expressions which we never knew before, like when pigs fly, which means never, and to live from hand to mouth, which means to barely have enough money for you to survive. And also, did you use these idiomatic expressions when you go to school, when you had your conversations with your friends or classmates, or when you talk to someone or to somebody who speaks English very well? I hope so you did. Okay, so for tonight, let's continue our lecture about the idiomatic expressions. I have here another examples of idiomatic expressions. First one is to keep one's chin up, which means to stay positive. So to keep positive, to stay positive, or to be positive. That's it. So, for example, I have here a sentence. Sarah always keeps her chin up whenever she joins a competition. It means to say whenever she joins a competition, she always thinks positive. She doesn't think negative. It means to say she is optimistic. Optimistic is an adjective which you can describe for a person who always thinks positive. So she always thinks that she will win or she won't lose. Okay. And another example of an idiomatic expression is to go belly up. To go belly up means to go bankrupt. Means to say, if you have the company and your company suffers from like let's say financial constraints, so probably the company might go belly up. It means it might go bankrupt. For example, Jake's company lost $3 million last year. He might go belly up. It means to say his company might go bankrupt because his company lost $3 million last year. So possibly that will happen, that his company will go bankrupt. It's to go belly up. And the last idiomatic expression I have here is top dollar. Top dollar is similar to the idiomatic expression I had before, which is the cost an arm and a leg. It means to say it's very expensive, or you need to give lots of money, or the highest end of a price range. A lot of money, cost a lot of money. So, for example, Nicole paid top dollar for a shirt at Banana Republic. Banana Republic is a brand's name, so, okay. And Nicole wanted to buy a shirt in Banana Republic, but it's top dollar, okay. So, that's it. These are the idiomatic expressions. To keep one's chin up, to go belly up, and top dollar. So these are the idiomatic expressions for tonight. I hope we'll see each other again soon. Thank you for watching, and this has been Teacher Lynn. Bye-bye.